cold watch remains in effect from late Sunday night through Wednesday morning. What? An extended period of very cold temperatures are expected with dangerously cold wind chills as low as -25 possible. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? From late Sunday night through Wednesday morning. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. The long duration of this cold will lead to greater impacts to infrastructure, including increased risk of frozen pipes, dead car batteries, and structure fires. There is an increased risk of carbon monoxide poisoning from improper use of secondary heat indoors. Additional details: wind chills will be as cold as -20 through Tuesday morning. Low temperatures on Tuesday night will range from -5 to -15 with wind chills values as low as -25 degrees. Lingering cold with sub-zero wind chills could continue through Wednesday night. Dress in layers including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. To prevent water pipes from freezing, wrap or drain or allow them to drip slowly. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make sure outdoor animals have a warm, dry shelter, food, and unfrozen water. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside.